Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can download and install the Grindr app on a mobile device and sign up for it. So Grindr is an online dating app, so you want to create a Grindr account, you want to download and install the application, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to download and install the Grindr app and sign up for it. It's a very simple process, so follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. The first thing you have to do in order to download the Grindr app is open a Play Store. Once you open a Play Store, in the search field search for Grindr. Once you search for Grindr, you'll see something like this. Now tap on the install button. Now once you tap on the install button, wait for the download and installation process to complete. So once the download and installation process is complete, moving to the sign up process, what you need to do is simply open the application. So tap on the open button. Once you tap on the open button, the application will open and you land on an interface like this. Now here, this is the sign-in interface of Grindr. So here what you can do is enter credentials in order to log into a Grindr account if you already have it, or what you can do is continue with a Google account or a Facebook account in order to log into a Grindr. So if you have a Grindr account, you can go ahead and do that, but to create a new Grindr account, what you need to do is simply tap on the sign up button on the top right corner. So tap on that button. Once you tap on the button, you land on the terms and conditions service of Grindr. So go through this and tap on the next button. Once you tap on the next button, tap on accept. Then you'll be shown the privacy policy of Grindr. So what you have to do is go through this and then tap on the next button again, then tap on accept again. Once you do that, you land on an interface like this. Now here you again have the option to continue with the Google account or a Facebook account, or create an independent Grindr account. So if you want to use any of these, select one of these options, then enter your account credentials and you'll be able to continue with that. To create an independent account, what you need to do is enter your email address here. Once you enter your email address, you'll be asked to create a password for your account, so go ahead and do that. Once you create a password, confirm the password. Once you create and confirm a password, enter your date of birth. Once you enter your date of birth, tap on the OK button. Once you tap on the OK button, tap on the create account button. Now here you will have to solve a puzzle in order to verify yourself, so go ahead and solve the puzzle. Now you will be asked to enter your phone number, so go ahead and enter your phone number. Once you enter your phone number, tap on the send code button. Once you tap on the send code button, Grindr will send a verification code to your phone number, so wait for the verification code to arrive, then enter the verification code here. Once you enter the code, tap on the verify button. Once you tap on the verify button, your account will be verified. Tap on the OK button to continue. Once you tap on the OK button to continue, now you will have to complete a profile creation. Now here what you need to do is enter your name. Once you enter your name, what you need to do is add a photo of yourself. So to add a photo, tap on the add photo option here, then choose one of those options and select a photo from a gallery or something. Now once you add a photo and enter your name, what you need to do is simply tap on the save button. Once you tap on the save button, you'll successfully create a Grindr account without any problem at all. So those are the simple steps in order to download and install the Grindr application and sign up for it. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.